just want to share this little beauty. I'm helping out a friend. Yep, taking care of the kitty and the plants and the mail. And she's a pretty baby. Hi, baby. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. You're so beautiful. I know. Oh, I know. Well, probably tomorrow I'll visit with you inside, okay? Yeah, today's already done, okay? I gotta go do some stuff, but I came to water the plants, okay? You gonna show me that you're not happy with that and you're leaving the back end? Okay, sorry. This is Callie. Oh, she's a beautiful kitty. Hi, Callie. Hi, Callie. Oh, she's a happy baby. Yes, you are. She's a happy baby. Okay. Look at that adorable-licious kitty cat. She's eating the canned food I just gave her. She's as happy as can be. Yeah, she's rubbing all up against me. This is Callie. She got dry food, canned food. You saw that I said your name, you heard me? And look at this adorable, delicious watering thing. Yes, I know I'm bending down and I rate higher than your canned food. That's always good. Yeah. It's like, oh, can I have both? Can you bend down and pet me and I can eat the good stuff all at the same time? Yeah. I just want to show this. Look it. Excuse me. I'm trying to show something. You're just so funny. It's got a light, which is really cool because it's a blue light. It's my favorite. And she's pushing my hand away. But the light indicates how much water is in it and stuff. But isn't that cute? It may not even be intended for pets. I don't know if it makes any noise. I'm making too much noise to know if it makes any noise. Yeah. Oh, you guys show how it works? Yeah. My grandkitty likes to drink from the faucet. Yeah, she does. We leave the water dripping. Yes, I know. And you got dry food that just comes out? That's good. Yay! You're such a good kitty cat. All right. Until next time. Did you just wiggle your tail at me? Did you? Like you're going to spray me or something? Are you going to claim me now? Are you? Yeah? Okay. Callie, can you look when I talk? Oh, you're a good listener. I love it. Okay.